Oh, you gotta flip that towards you. Other way. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, right?
Yep.
Alright, there's one.
Now the longer one goes at the bottom.
The long one goes at the bottom? So tell me again why it's important for you to be able to work on your bike?
Because if...
Oh, I think that long one goes at the, yeah, that bottom. Because why?
Because if you're older and you need to...
What do you mean older? What if you're right now?
Maybe because, like, if you want to work on your bike and your parents, like, don't really want to right now, then you can go and know where everything goes before, like, before they want to do it.
Yeah, that's good. You got her tight.
Do what you want when you want with your bike.
Cool.
As long as you know where everything has to go.
You like getting to work on your own bike?
Yeah. Especially this new shifter, because it's kind of more complicating, but kind of less at the same time.
You gotta make sure it's going in the hole. I'm not sure it is. So you gotta pull it out and see if it lines up right. It should? Alright, I'll give you a hand, so why don't you say see you later, everybody?
See ya.
Ratchet. Now, do you tighten that all the way or just snug it up?
Snug it up.
Why do you just snug it up?
Because then it can wiggle if it needs to.
Oh, then you can adjust it a bit?
Yeah.
All right, so it looks like what, you just got the long one now?
Yeah.
All right.
I might need to adjust this one a little more.
Well, you just push it in, so just put it in the ratchet first, get it set to go in.
So,
Remember, it doesn't go in straight, right? It goes in a bit of an angle.
yeah. So this one it goes like up. So.
That looks close. Does it feel like it's grabbing? No. There, try now. No.
There we go.
Oh, did you find it?
Yep.
All right. Yep, you got her. So now that you got them all in, you can tighten that one all the way up, and then you just tighten up your other ones, right?
Yep.
All right. There you go. Try not to fall. You have to balance still. All right, so your head job is done. We got a new piston, new rings. Everything's good. You gonna give her a shot?
Yep.
Go ahead. Hard, hard. Wow, nice. Works. All right, that's good. That's good. Keep it going for a bit. We're just going to let it idle. We're just let it idle. Then, let it idle. Just let it idle now. Take your hand off. That's called idling, so just let it idle. Let it warm up by itself. And then we're going to warm it up, shut it off to let it cool, and then start it and let it warm up again. So the piston rings can seat themselves in like they already pretty much are. Bike looks good, all put back together, dude. Awesome. See ya.